Hello. This is part 4 of Zenith TV refurnishing. So, from last episode, I was just showing you whatever. I was showing you like all the stuff that's connecting it. All doodads. Oh, I finally got this thing out. It's very heavy. Yeah, put it on a skateboard so you can see it better. All sorts of odds and ends and doodads. Still can't really find a year, but I still think it's the 50s. So this thing has no more electrical circuits inside of it. I got that in the back, and we somehow have to snip that. But anyways, yeah. But yeah, this thing's a goner. Electrical burn right there. I don't think you can see it, but I think the coils are all messed up in there. But anyways, so I'm gonna clean this thing out, deep clean. Got to clean that window. Probably spray paint this whole entire thing to black. Not sure yet. And change the handles. Somehow I fixed that. There's 2 of them on each side that must have been dragging it out. But then, yeah. I think I'm gonna get rid of this plate. And you know what, that can... Ow, God, that hurt. It stays. Man. Other than that, this is part 4 of Zenith TV refurbishing. Yeah. See you guys in the next one.